Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to download TeamViewer for your PC. This program is essential for setting up your system and allowing us to assist you just in case you'll need help in the future. To begin, open up a browser and go to our website cattlecams.com. Once there, click on the Support tab. Now you'll notice two buttons. Go ahead and select the blue one on the right, Download TeamViewer Host. The download will begin automatically. You'll see the progress bar either in the top right or bottom left of your screen, depending on your browser. Once it is finished downloading, open it up. It may ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. Now, to start the setup, just click Next. Then, click Next. Accept the terms of license and agreement. Then, click Next. It will now start installing and you will see a green progress bar. Once it is done, TeamViewer will be ready to use. You will now see the TeamViewer icon on your desktop. Click it to open it. You will see an ID and password on your screen. We may ask for those when we need to access your computer.